Does Gemini AI really think that Charlie Kirk is still alive? I saw this Reddit post earlier today where a guy had an argument with Gemini, basically back and forth, with Gemini continuing to assert that Charlie Kirk is still alive. Now, why does this happen? I think this brings up bigger points about how we use artificial intelligence and how we use it best in particular. All AIs that we use, these large language models, have a training cutoff date. Basically, we feed in all of the information from the internet and other sources up to a certain point, and then we train our models based on that data. Anything that happens after that point will not be in the model itself. It will not be in the weights and biases. So in a sense, the model does not know anything that happens after the training cutoff. However, this has been remedied by the use of tools. So generally, artificial intelligences, when they do not know a certain fact, they will look it up. They will use search. In this case, what's happened is Gemini has not triggered a search. It has not gone to look for the most up-to-date information because it is fairly confident, based on what it knows, that Charlie Kirk is still alive. This is remedied really easily by either turning on search or explicitly saying to your AI, use search. If you ask this question, is Charlie Kirk still alive, check the web or use search, it would go and find information and give you the correct answer. A really useful analogy here is when we learn stuff. So we have a lot of stuff in our brain that is there. That's our knowledge that we have access to. But sometimes we just don't know a fact. Or maybe it's just something that we've never encountered or it's something new. In those cases, what do? We use Google. We go and search it. AI is exactly the same.